Hi, welcome to this edition of Matt's Message. I'm here with Jonathan Redd, the director of the Sports Center here at PGA West Private, and we're standing on what's going to soon be the 8 brand new pickleball courts. They currently have dropped the foundation in with a water vapor barrier. They're now in the process of setting up the fences and the wind screens that'll go along with them. And then the last step will be the texture of the courts and the painting. We're really excited to have this in process, and I want to turn it over to Jonathan a bit here to explain when we're going to be finished and what we can expect when we do have these brand new courts.
Thank you, Matt. We are super excited. We are on track to have this totally completed before season. We actually have a deadline of the end of this month, and we are looking forward to hosting all of our members returning from their summer vacation homes and welcome them back here at PGA West. We look forward to seeing everybody down here with our 16 brand new pickleball courts.
Right, and we anticipate when these are done, we're going to have a little surprise thank you for being a member scenario. When we're not going to say exactly what, but there's going to be food and beverages here in celebration of our 16 brand new courts here that will be used to the fullest. Going forward, we're looking forward to a great season coming up and overall usage here at the Sports Center with all the amenities that we can provide. So that's our final update here from the pickleball courts. We look forward to the next Matt's Message in a week. Thank you.